Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Jeff Williams, Amarillo, Texas, and I'm the Department Coordinator for the Texas Chiropractic Association's Scientific Affairs Department. I gotta tell you, I'm super excited to take the stage at the 2024 TCA West Texas Conference. That's March 22nd through March 24th in Lubbock, Texas. West Texas is always one of my favorite TCA events, and being from this area, I absolutely love supporting the profession right here in my part of the state. I'd like to invite you to check out my session, which is called Revolutionize Your Practice: Strategies for Taming the Upregulated Central Nervous System in Chronic Pain. We're going to talk about the latest in pain management in a way that is going to empower your patients and empower you to become a leader in the field in your area. And here's what else you're going to learn. You're going to learn how words matter, how to communicate in a positive and forward-moving way, how to pull patients away from chronic pain instead of pushing them into the pit, and how to finally encourage them to get active and help them take control of their life and their pain. So space is limited at the Cotton Court Hotel. Don't wait to register for the conference and get that room booked today. The West Texas Conference will be here before you know it. We'll see you there.